A65 Quick Setup Guide, Synchronized Splicing. This video helps users to quickly operate and learn general use of A65. A65 is the latest released LED 4K multi-image processor. A65 has 3 input cards, 4K input card in A, 4K direct input card in B, 2K input card in C, 4K video signal collects to HDMI 1 port of in A, 4K video signal collects to HDMI 3 port of in B, 2K video signal collects to HDMI 4 port of in C, and 1 SDI signal collects to SDI input port of in C. The LED screen we're using here, its total width is 2128 pixels. Its total height is 1216 pixels, and it is divided into 4 parts. Size of top left part and bottom left part width is 1216 pixels. Height is 608 pixels. Size of top right part and bottom right part width is 912 pixels. Height is 608 pixels. A65 has 4 device outputs: device 1, device 2, device 3, device 4. Device 1 drives top left part of LED screen. Device 2 drives top right part of LED screen. Device 3 drives bottom left part of LED screen. Device 4 drives bottom right part of LED screen. First, input card operation. If bottom light indicator on means valid input signal. If flickers means low valid input signal. At present, in A selects HDMI 2 input, and HDMI 2 is not valid. Press HDMI 1 button to switch to HDMI 1 input signal. HDMI 1 is valid input signal. In B, select HDMI 3 as input. In C, select HDMI 4 as input. Step 2. Switch output image to different input cards. Button in B, light indicator on, means now output image is signal from in B. Most specific is HDMI 3 input signal of in B. We can switch to HDMI 1 input signal of in A and switch to HDMI 4 input signal of in C. Switch back to in A. Step 3. Set output resolution. Press Setup button to enter Setup menu. 5. System. The first operation, 5.1 output resolution. Select the output resolution whose width and height are bigger than any screen drive by any output port. Else, A65 cannot drive all LED screen. Output resolution 1920p 60Hz meet the requirements. Step 4. Set mosaic parameters. Back to main setup menu. 3. Output image. Enter LED screen is regular shape, so select fast mosaic. Now it's under display mode. Display mode 1. Set up interface of device 1 port. LED panel. Apply to drive more than one LED screen. We drive one LED screen. So 4 device ports all set to panel 1. LED total width. The total width of 4 LED screens set to 2128. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. LED total height. The total height of all LED screen set to 1216. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit width. Width of that part of LED screen driven by output port DV1 set to 1216. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit height. Height of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 1 set to 608. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit horizontal start and unit vertical start. The top left point of all LED screen is at position 0, 0. The first value means horizontal value. The second value means vertical value. Port device 1 drives top left part, so unit horizontal start and unit vertical start both set to 0. Auto calculation, press OK button to apply new parameters. We can see that top left part of every screen is finished now. Press device out button to switch to output port device 2. The first three options, LED panel, LED total width, LED total height, already set and correct. Unit width of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 2 set to 912. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit height. Height of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 2 set to 608. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit horizontal start and unit vertical start for device 2 drives top right part. So, unit horizontal start set to 1216 and unit vertical start set to 0. Auto calculation, press OK button to apply new parameters. We can see that top part of every screen is finished now. Press device out button to switch to output port device 3. The first three options, LED panel, LED total width, LED total height, already set and correct. Unit width of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 3 set to 1216. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit height. Height of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 3 set to 608. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit horizontal start and unit vertical start. Port device 3 drives bottom left part, so unit horizontal start set to 0 and unit vertical start set to 608. Auto calculation, press OK button to apply new parameters. We can see that left part of LED screen is finished now. Press device out button to switch to output port device 4. The first three options, LED panel, LED total width, LED total height, already set and correct. Unit width of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 4 set to 912. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit height of that part of LED screen drives by output port device 4 set to 608. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit horizontal start and unit vertical start. Port device 4 drives bottom right part. So unit horizontal start to set to 1216. Unit vertical start set to 608. Auto calculation, press OK button to apply new parameters. We can see that whole area screen is finished now. Press the output button to switch to output port 4. The first three options, LED panel, LED total width, LED total height, already set and correct. Unit width of that part of LED screen drive by output port 4. Device 4 set to 912. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit height. Height of that part of LED screen drive by output port device 4. Set to 608. Rotate button to change value. Press button to save value. Unit horizontal start and unit vertical start. Port device 4 drives bottom right part, so unit horizontal start set to 1216. Unit vertical start set to 608. Auto calculation, press OK button to apply new parameters. We can see that board LED screen is finished now. Press return button to exit setup menu completely. Now switch to output image to input signal of InB. Switch output image to input signal of InC. InC, open PIP. Select input signal for sub-image. Now two images display on every screen. Switch back to InA. A65 provides 13 preset display modes and 3 backup modes that cannot be edited directly. Press DM2 button to switch to display mode DM2. Display mode DM2 has not set mosaic parameters yet. Switch back to DM1. Image processing of A65 real 10-bit image processing. Color more vivid and natural. Color transition more smooth. For output hosts of A65, each output card can adjust color, RGB, and BIOS independently. Setup 3. Output image 3.3. Color, brightness, etc. BIOS Device 1, Device 2, Device 3, Device 4. Can adjust red, green, blue independently. Brightness Device 1, Device 2, Device 3, Device 4 can adjust red, green, blue independently. Color Device 1, Device 2, Device 3, Device 4. Rotate button to adjust.